Afternoon, everybody. Hope everybody's well. Just wish you all, or hope that you all had a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year, of course. Of course, we've seen a lot of you over the festive period and coming into the New Year, but if we haven't, we do hope you are well, safe and happy. Just to give you a bit of an update on what's happening down here at the Octopus Blue at the moment, we have, right the way through January, we have 2 for 1 on all of our hot chocolates. You may or may not know we work with Chocolat, which are a Belgian company, and they provide us with vanilla, milk and dark chocolate, which is real chocolate which we put into milk, hence hot chocolate, for yourselves. 2 for 1 right the way through January. We have our set lunch menu, which is running from Wednesday to Saturday, which is doing very well. 2 courses £20, 3 courses £25. And for January only, we also have a set dinner menu, which is 2 courses for 30, 3 courses for 35. And that is running on the weekends as well, so Friday, Saturday evenings, as well as Wednesday and Thursdays, of course. Hope everybody's well. Anybody needs anything or has any questions, just give us a call. You know our telephone number, our email, our website, book online, give us a call, whatever, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Take care.